what I'm going to talk about, in the meantime, when Arthurs is showing stuff. So, what's the problem that they're solving? We're in games field, and in games field there's one big problem. There's a lot of devices, like phones, Androids, iPhone, whereas also tablets and regular PCs. And if you're a game developer, you have to develop your game for each device specifically. So you spend 3 months on developing on Android, 3 months on iOS, and 3 months more on the laptop. And what we are doing is the solution game engine on top of HTML5, on which you can build your game once and run on all these different devices. So basically, you save a lot of money and a lot of time and a lot of programmers' cost. And I want to show a little video. There's a sneak peek in our engine. It's not ready yet, but it will be launched in 1st September. So 1 month from this point. And the video, maybe don't show in full screen, just please.
We'll restart it.
No worries, it's Mac.
Let's go the small widget. It will help.
Yeah, and our widget is coming. So, cool logo of HTML5 game engine. So we have 3 cool things: rendering, game editor, and plugins, third-party plugins. So as you see, you can easily go it in laptop. It's one demo game. So you can build around the stuff. And the same goes also for iPad and all other mobile devices. And as you see, it's really smooth and fast. So some would say native games are really cooler and better, but you can put a lot of animations and do it with the browser. Actually, you can try this live demo on our website, mightyfingers.com. And yes, you see like a lot of these devices you can run around. So it was a quick video, but I want also to show how to make a little game from a big beginning. So what we want to now to see, to achieve is, there's a little guy flying around, falling, going around different obstacles. It's like big map and then kind of this stuff. And how to build like this little game. So this is our game editor. You can go there and edit the assets, add some sound, add some textures. So right now you can see 4 textures with different animations for a guy who is flying. 1 grass tile and 1 ground tile. When we switch to the brushes, so what you do to brushes, you just combine with 4 different textures for a guy, and then put here. And programmer later on can do a flying stuff and falling stuff. And next, you can edit a map and put all these obstacles where it goes. Also, you can define the size of a grid, how many tiles And then basically you can do everything what's needed for make a real game in HTML5. So also you can open a game straight here from your editor. You can also deploy. So with on the top right corner you can deploy straight to mobile devices. There's also version control. For example, if you have a game in a Facebook in draugen.lv, and you have different assets because one are more Latvians. One, for example, a game called Sprīdītis, and in for Facebook nobody knows such Sprīdītis. So you have different assets from it with the same game. And basically, it works like a Git, but for assets. So yeah, launch will be in 1st September. Here's a little game, Snake. Arthur's all the time losing. So, as in old Nokia phones, but a bit polished, with nice graphics. And maybe you can show, here's a third game which also supports isometrics and a lot of animations. So yeah, launch in 1st September. We'll have a market where, similar to, for example, WordPress plugins, you can make your own plugins. And it will be ready, for example, in November. Also, we have investment from Seedcamp in London. So yes, we are doing this and quite serious. And if you have any questions, you can ask, or later on you can go and check out the demos, or maybe we can give free license for you to develop on this engine. Thank you.
What does the license cost?
So we'll have 500 for commercial use and for free for non-commercial use. But if you're indie developer, we're keen, and then maybe we figure out something. Yes. Second question.
Did you build this project from ground up, or you started with other similar projects? Because I was developing a game on a different similar platform, but it was only for 2D platforming. So did you start from ground up, or you checked out other similar projects like this one?
We started from ground, like from scratch, with product. I know it was existing in market, but where I have two problems. Basically, one is rendering is really laggy on mobile phones, especially Android. Yes, and second, we don't have this editor thing and all that thing, how to update content and stuff like this. First, no question, just come later to me and talk.